Jai Srimannarayana. 29th sloka of 9th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Samoham sarvabhuteshu na me dveshyosti na priyaha ये भजन्ति तु मां भक्त्या मयि तेषु चाप्यहम्। ओम Sri Krishna Paramatma appreciates you if you have Sri Krishna Paramatma as your exceedingly beloved objective, and then onwards Krishna Paramatma considers you only as his objective. Thus entire universe appreciates you. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall have you as my exceedingly beloved objective. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. Srimannarayana, I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टू श्री सुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टू नरनारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्. श्रीमद्भागवतमो दशमस्कन्धमु 10th स्कन्धं 105th day. Sutta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Balarama and Krishna, they are now growing in Nanda Gokulam. While they are doing all kind of miraculous activities, all the people in that Nanda Vraj, they are feeling very happy to see all of that. When Balarama and Krishna, they were crawling on their knees while lifting their heads. Talaletti mellana tadaviyadadivela Pannagadhisula Pagididalturu. When they were lifting their heads and crawling, it is looking just like as if Adisesha and all other serpents, while spreading their hoods, are playing. Just like that it is looking. And then after a few days, ఆనందంబుల కాంతులు అంతకంతకు ఎక్కు బాలార్క చంద్రుల పగిదింతోతురు. Their faces, Balarama and Krishna's faces, were glowing with so much of effulgence and looking just like Surya and Chandra, both of them. So while they are doing all different activities, all the people and especially the mothers, they are feeling happy on one side and also they are kind of scared, because Shrungi Agni Damstri Asi Jala Dvija Kantakebhyaha, they are kind of scared because there may be any danger to Balarama and Krishna because of fire, because of water, because of cows, calves and so many things. So they are very much alert. They are completely drowned in taking care of Balarama and Krishna so that they are not getting into any danger. And as some of the days passed, Kalena Alpena Rajarshe Ramaha Krishnascha Gokule Aghrishtajanubhihi Padbhihi Vichakramatuhu Anjasa. Now Balarama and Krishna, as they get growing and growing, they are not now crawling. They are able to walk on their legs. Like that Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marashatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 9th chapter 29th sloka. Samoham sarvabhuteshu name dveshyosti na priyaha ye bhajanti tumam bhaktya mayite teshu chapyaham. Samoham sarvabhuteshu name dveshyosti na priyaha ye bhajanti tumam bhaktya mayite teshu chapyaham. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.